how do you say car in Spanish? Well, it might seem easy, but it's not as easy as all that. Let's dig into it right now. In Latin America and in Central America, they use the word el carro. So that's the word for car in Latin America and in Central America. However, smash the subscribe button and you'll receive notifications of every upload. In Spain, they don't use the word carro, but they use the word el coche. El coche. So in Spain, the word for car is el coche. So there you have it, el carro in Latin America and Central America, and el coche in Spain in Europe.